Please listen to the following announcement. Please take note of the various exits. In the case of an emergency, proceed to the nearest exit. Our staff will be present to guide you. Proceed to the exits in an orderly manner and do not panic. Thank you.
Amphitheatre for high flyers. Thank you. This morning we are going to take you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope that you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take action for all our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking of feathered friends, you should have seen 4 of them running around behind me. Now, those are bantam chickens. And they are here to commemorate the year of the rooster. Now, many people think that chickens cannot fly, but that's not true. Let's see if the next one will fly down to my hand. Now, everyone, keep your eyes on that hut. Can you spot her? Oh, she's very small. She's our female bantam chicken. Chicky, are you there, Chicky? Can you spot her? She's really small. She's black in color. Chicky, are you there? Is she hiding? Oh, there you are, Chicky. Hello. Good job, Chicky. Can we give her a big hand? Good job, Chicky. Okay, I'll put you right here. And you know how to make your way back home. So right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. So in the wild, macaws love to congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Right here we have some palm trees. With that, let's welcome the birds. Everyone, look right up there and here comes. Hey Gaia, are you there? Okay, spot her. Oh, there she is. Hey Gaia, our hyacinth macaw, followed by her friend Lambo, our scarlet macaw. There he is. Now, macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. And what happens after feeding in the wild is that they will then fly to rocky surfaces, just like this, to lick up on clay or chalk. This will help them in the digestion of any arachnids or palm nuts that they have eaten. Now, looks like they are still enjoying their reward right up there, but not to worry. This will definitely be their next stop. In the meantime, we have more birds joining us on stage. Birds often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. In fact, we are going to have a little competition to see who is better at getting food. And they need supporters. Okay, so people on my right, you are going to support Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. Just clap your hands and shout out his name, Zonda, Zonda, Zonda. How was it that? Not bad, but I think you can do better, okay? Now, people on my left, you are going to support Barry, our green-winged macaw. Just clap your hands. But this time, shout out his name, Barry, Barry, Barry. Very good. Now, let's turn the table. So, what I have with me right now is a hollow tree trunk, and we are going to have 4 bricks on each side of the table. Now, supporters, remember to cheer for your birds, okay? Alright, ready? Alright, supporters, ready, birds, ready, and go! second chance. But this time, Zona supporters, I need you to cheer louder, okay? Because the louder you cheer, the faster Zona might go. Alright, so supporters, ready, and go! And both bets have proven to be good at collecting food. So let's give them a big round of applause. In the bird card, we give our birds fun activities to do, similar to what they do in the wild. This is called an enrichment. In the wild, birds forage for seeds and nuts. Now right up there we have our trainer, Lina, and she's holding on to an enrichment device. It is a rope tied into knots, and inside those knots we have hidden treats for the birds to find. Now the birds will be flying very close to you, so please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, alright? Alright, for those of you who are standing, please take a seat, and for those of you holding on to selfie sticks, please lower it down. Thank you so much. Now looks like our volunteer is ready. Everyone, look at that nest box on stage. Oh, I see two of them. Let's follow them. Now those are sun conures. Sun conures, they can be found in South America. They usually fly in huge flocks, so you can imagine how colorful but noisy they can be. Oh, that was fast. And of course our sun conures, okay? For the next segment, we are going to need 2 more volunteers, so get the attention of our trainers. We have Lina and San. So every morning, the male and female toucans leave their nest to find food to feed their young. In a very short while, we will have our toucans joining us. Just a gentle reminder, if you are taking pictures or videos, please remain seated. This is for your own safety and the safety of our pets. Alright, we are still looking for volunteers. Quickly raise your hands, get their attention. Okay, you don't ask me, you have to ask them. Okay, so I got a volunteer there. Some final instructions. Okay, remember not to move. Now our volunteer is in position. Everyone, look at that hut. Oh, I see one. How about the other? Oh, there's 2 of them. Now those are Tuku toucans. Tuku toucans, they are the largest in the toucan family, and they can be found in South America. They are easily recognizable by their bright and orange bills. Despite having large bills, they remain agile in flight. And to demonstrate that, our trainer Saad is going to toss a fruit each. Wait up high for the toucans. Let's see if they are fast enough to catch it, okay? Alright, let's get the attention of the bird. Ready, Saad? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Up it goes. Oh, that catch. Okay, let's do it once again. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Up it goes. And another perfect catch. Well done. The number of toucans in the wild are declining due to poaching and deforestation. So if you can, please do your part for your local conservation efforts. Now, I have not introduced you to these pets. This is Mrs. Axel and this is Mr. Axel, a husband and wife team. Now, they are very loyal to one another and they will be heading home together. I'll put them on the stump right here. So when one goes, the other one will follow. For me, it's that way. That way. Our Tuku toucans. What differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-necked Amazon is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird with us today. So get your cameras and video cameras ready. Okay, let's start with something simple. Can you say hello? Hello! A nice and sweet hello. Now can you tell us what's your name? Amigo! what would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
He's asking, how are you? How are you feeling today? Good? Yeah? Yeah. Now, amigo here, he's a really smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10. Now, amigo can also count in another language. He can count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. He skip a number. Amigo, you cannot skip a number. Now that bird is louder than amigo, right? Amigo, you have to do louder. Okay, let's count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. You got distracted. Okay, let's try that one. Once again. Can we count again? Alright, let's count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. No, amigo. We have to count first before we can sing. Alright, let's keep counting in another language. Amigo, what are you looking at? Stop showing your butt. Look at your friend. Okay, let's count from 1 to 10 in Chinese. Okay, I think he wants to sing so badly. Okay, let's not force him. Alright, let's start singing. Alright, so the first song you can hear a bit is a local children's song titled Choral Life, which means a guest comes to visit. Right, you ready? Let's sing in Mandarin.
Choral life, tan papa, papa, good night, yeah, what is choral, then God, yeah, night,
Word forward by amigo. Good job, amigo. Now the second song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing a Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat Yuna,
Hey, there you go. Good job, amigo. Now the last song is an English song, but before that, I want to know who is celebrating their birthday. Raise your hand. I see 1. Okay, 2, 3. 3 of you. How about the middle section? 4, 5. 5 of you. How about the last section? 6, 7. Okay, to the 8. Right, 9, 10. Right, to the 10 of you. Amigo have something special to sing for you. Let's go, amigo.
happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 10 of you. Well, amigo has done a great job. At least I'm going to head back home. But first, can we wave and say bye-bye to amigo? Your turn.
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
There you go. Thank you, amigo, our yellow named Amazon. Now, parrots like amigo, they require a lot of time and commitment. They are also very noisy and can even outlive us. So do bear that in mind before you go home and get yourself a pet parrot. Now, the next 2 birds coming out will show us the nesting behaviors of hornbills. So, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes over there and let's welcome Vicky, the great white hornbill. Good morning, Vicky. Now, hornbills, they can be found in 2 continents, Asia and Africa. Now, I'll be coming close to some of you, so please do not reach out and try to touch the bed. So, in the wild, when hornbills want to nest, they look for cavities in trees. Now, take a look over there and you will see a nest box. That nest box is similar to the nest boxes we give our hornbills in Jurong Bird Park. Now, I'll be going up this aisle here, so for those of you who are around me, please remain seated. Do not make any fast movements as you might startle Vicky. Okay, now Vicky, can spread your wings and fly. Now to the lady, please take a seat. Thank you. Right, Vicky, you can hop to your right. Now what she's doing, she's inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, she will hop right in. In she goes. Once inside, she will seal the nest using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. Alright, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. Wow, that was fast. Vicky, where are you? There she is. Now everyone, look up there. And here comes Sunny, another great white hornbill. Jurong bird animal icon. So when the female is in the nest, she will be inside for 3 to 4 months. During this time, the male hornbill will have to look for food to feed the entire family. Here in Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding the oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have also successfully released hornbills into nature reserves here in Singapore as well as right here in Jurong Bird Park. So after the show, keep your eyes open as you might just spot 3 flying hornbills. Well, it looks like he missed that. There you go, our hornbills, everyone.
Thank you very much, Africa, with a beautiful hornbill. Oh, nice music, isn't it? Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you want to volunteer, remain in your seats. We have trainers coming to the respective sections. You can try and get their attention. Alright, so what's going to happen? We're going to have Vega, the scarlet macaw, fly very close to you. Okay, watch Vega later on as he flies past you. Because this is how they would swoop through the branches and trees in the rainforests of South America. Well, unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at the rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Now we can help to save these beautiful birds by using less of everything. Even better, if we can reuse our things, buy second-hand or recycled products. Now this will reduce the need for making new things and the clearing of the birds' homes. Alright, looks like our volunteers are ready. Very nice sound effect. Vega, are you ready? Here goes! Beautiful flight by Vega, everyone! Alright, a change of volunteer since we're going to do this one more time, okay? Alright, shall we do this one more time, Shario? I still need the hoop though. A bag. What's inside the bag? Okay, everyone look at Shafrio. Okay, a change of hoops as well. Oh, that's a really small hoop. But I do know that scarlet macaws have streamlined bodies, and look at that. In the wild, that's how they would maneuver themselves to escape from potential dangers and predators. Having said that, that's a really small hoop. Okay, let's keep our fingers crossed, okay? Silence, please, everyone. Shh. Focus, Vega. That was beautifully executed. I think he deserves a louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That was nice. Oh, you can fly back home now. Africa is waiting. Thank you. Now, parrots' beak can be powerful when they use it to crack hard nuts, but when required, they can be gentle as well. So next parrot coming out will be helping me with the delivery of a coupon. Alright, but before that, I will need someone who's not afraid of birds. Okay, the gentleman in black with the glasses. He was quite fast to raise his hand. Yeah, just bring him to the... Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. He can stand up where he is. He can stand up where he is. The gentleman in white, would you like to take a seat? Yeah. Okay, just stand up on your bench. Free your hands. Put down everything. Okay. Alright. I need you to do something for me. One hand like that to the side. Palm facing skywards. Keep still. Straighten it up. Okay. The bird will be landing on your hand. Is that okay? Yes. And of course, she's going to put this coupon down on your palm as well. When she does this, hold on tight to it. Okay, very importantly, you have to remember to smile. Alright, let's keep it sexy, our South Crested cockatoo. She will be the one doing doing the delivery. Okay, Sassy, we have a volunteer waiting. Can you see? He's all the way up there. Okay, don't move, don't move. Okay, put it down on his palm. Close your fingers. Yes, he got the coupon. Can you see? Can you check if the coupon is still in one piece? Yes or no? Yeah, you've just gotten yourself a free drink. All right, thank you very much. Let's give him a big hand. Good job, Sassy. Okay, one more volunteer, one more. Oh, so many hands now. Wait, listen. This time I'm looking for somebody with $2. No more free drinks to give away, okay? $2. Show me the money and I'll pick you. $2 note. Where? Oh, the young man in pink. Yeah, you. Yeah, can you just go to the owl area? He was very fast. Okay, stay where you are. Can you fold it into half? One more time, make it smaller. Okay, use your right hand like that. Hold the money like that, pointing skywards. Good. Okay, we'll wait for my trainer and the photographers to get in position. Okay, can you just lower your hand a little bit? All right, people around him, settle down. Sir, would you like to take a seat? Thank you very much. Okay, do not touch a bird if she flies low above your head, okay? Sassy, we have a young man on this side. He has money this side, though. Whoa! All right. Oh, she's so fast when it comes to money. Everyone, look where the money goes. Quickly, Sassy. Thank you very much, young man. You can go back to your seat. One more volunteer. Oh, good. $10 this time. Why are you laughing? I'm just kidding. I'm not going to take any more money, okay? But in fact, I will be returning the money to that young man in just a moment. However, if you would like to help the animals, do come on down after the show. Okay, you can drop any amount of loose change into that box. And in return, you will get a postcard of Sassy. What up, Sassy? Oh, there. See? That's her. Okay, you can check it out right after the show. Sassy, you get excited, right? Is that you? Ah, very proud to tell everyone that this is her in the postcard. By the way, all contributions collected in that box supports the 27 conservation projects across the region. So you can do your part after the show. Alright, so let's get that young man back in position. Oh, that was very efficient, Lena. Open your palm. This time, of course, when Sassy puts the money down, you hold on tight to it. Anyone taking your pictures? Okay, look at the camera and smile, okay, because Sassy is really fast. Sass, go. Oh, she knows who this belongs to, of course. Alright, oh, she takes a moment to post as well. Thank you very much. Let's give the young volunteer a big round of applause. And of course, Sassy has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to fly back home. Sun is waiting. Thank you, Sassy. Now we're glad you've come to our grand finale of the show, so don't go away just yet, okay? I'm sure the birds have amazed you this morning, and some of them may have even made you laugh. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions we have met today. Now we can all help them by making sure that the paper or wood that you buy comes from recycled sources. Now you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So together, let's make a right choice and make a difference for our feathered friends today. Well, looks like we're ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, for our grand finale, there will be lots more birds joining me on stage. So let's get started. Birds from Africa, our great white pelicans. Birds from Asia, our spot-billed pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, here comes our Dalmatian pelicans, everyone. Now back to Africa, the birds with their sexy long legs, our greater flamingos. a fantastic display. And with that, we've come to the end of the show. We certainly hope you've all enjoyed it. Now, after we usher this group of birds back home, there's going to be a photography session happening right here on stage. For $5 Singapore, you can come on stage and take pictures with our other group of flamingos. For more details, do stay on for that. Now, if you want to bring home the birds in the form of plush toys, look up. They are available right here at the Post Amphitheatre at a special price. Don't miss out on that offer. Now, on behalf of our sponsors, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, do continue to have a wonderful day. But before you leave, everyone, remember to look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and goodbye.